faculty, proud parents, cherished family and friends, and most importantly, the incredible class of 2025. Congratulations to all of you. What a magnificent sight you are today. Look around, take it all in. This moment, illuminated by the glow of achievement and anticipation of what's next, is truly yours. Each one of you has walked a unique path, faced distinct challenges, and conquered countless late nights and demanding projects to arrive at this stage. This diploma, soon to be firmly in your grasp, isn't just a piece of paper. It's a testament to your unwavering dedication, your intellectual curiosity, and your remarkable resilience. Give yourselves and those who supported you every step of the way a thunderous round of applause. Today marks not an end, but a pivotal transition. The closing of one remarkable chapter and the exciting opening of countless ones ahead of you. As you stand on the precipice of this new beginning, you might feel a mix of exhilaration, perhaps a touch of apprehension, and maybe even a slight uncertainty about what's next. And that, my friends, is perfectly normal. So what should you do? My advice isn't about prescribing a single path, for your journey is uniquely yours to define. Instead, I offer a few guiding principles for you to carry along. Firstly, cultivate unrelenting curiosity. This world will constantly evolve, presenting new problems, new challenges, new technologies we can't even imagine today. Your greatest asset will be your ability to ask questions, to seek understanding, and to remain a lifelong learner. Don't be afraid to pivot, to explore unexpected fields, or to embrace the beginner's mind. The curiosity be your compass, leading you to innovation, personal growth, and ceaseless genesis of wisdom. Genesis of wisdom you carry in you all along. That's critical. Next, I'd like to say that you embrace the power of yet, quote unquote yet. You will encounter obstacles, you will face moments of doubt. There will be times when success feels distant or when a goal seems impossible. In those moments, remember the power of yet to come. You haven't mastered that skill yet. You haven't found the perfect solution yet. It's not the end. You haven't reached the dream yet. This small but mighty word transforms a perceived failure into a temporary state, a challenge into an invitation for perseverance. Your ability to get up, dust off yourself, and continue forward will be your most valuable superpower. Know this. Every problem has a rather straightforward solution, but it comes only after one has exhausted all the hard ones. Remember this. You will definitely face a lot of problems. All problems have a rather straightforward solution, which doesn't come first. It only comes after you have exhausted all the hard ones that you can think of. Finally, it becomes possible. It is done, finally. So that power of yet, you must carry it. And lastly, I would say that lead with purpose and empathy. As you pursue your individual ambitions, remember that true success isn't measured solely by personal achievement, but by the positive impact you create in the lives of others and the world around you. Identify what truly you wish to build, what problems you feel compelled to solve, and what kind of legacy you wish to build. Use your unique talents and skills not just for personal gain, but to lift up communities, to foster understanding, and to contribute to a more just and suitable world, sustainable world. Empathy, the ability to truly see and understand another's perspective, will be your most potent tool in building bridges, solving complex issues, and creating meaningful change. So, class of 2025, you are ready. You have been equipped with critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and foundation of knowledge that will serve you well as you step out from beneath these academic arches. Remember the strength within you, the lessons you have learned, and power of continuous growth. Go forth with courage, lead with integrity, innovate with passion, and always strive to make a difference. The world is waiting for your unique contributions. We are so incredibly proud of you. Congratulations, class of 25. Now go write your extraordinary next chapter. Thank you.